guys, I woke up. I didn't get dressed. I'm still in my PJs, but you know what? That's okay. Saturdays are meant to be spent in your lounge clothes. So I am thriving in this little PJs of mine, and I'm just gonna make them in my PJs. That will be that. Today I'm going to be making these healthy, clean banana cookies that I actually always make. So I want to share with you guys how I do it and what ingredients I use to make it my own. So here are the ingredients that I'll be using in today's episode. Stay tuned. Here are the 2 ingredients that you need: Quaker oats and some bananas. You also need a blender for the oats, and that is it. It's that easy and that simple. You can keep your oats the way that they are right now. They're kind of big, but I like to make them a little bit smaller and a little bit finer, so when I eat them, I don't feel like I'm just eating a bowl of oats. So what I like to do is to grab some oats and put them in a blender, pop them in, and get them a little bit more finely shredded. This is what the consistency comes out to. You have your own gluten-free oat flour. So grab a big bowl, put your bananas in the bowl like so. Start mashing them up with a fork until you achieve this ooey gooey consistency. This is what the consistency should look like. There are some bigger pieces, but don't worry about that since we're gonna mix it up with all of the oats. I love bananas, and I remember back in my Girl Scout days, there was a banana song. It goes something like, go bananas, go, go, bananas.
Go, bananas, go, go, bananas.
Take your oats and put them into the big bowl, folding in the ingredients together until you get this really nice and thick batter. I really like chia seeds, so I'm going to be scooping a spoonful of chia seeds into my batter. Now I'm going to be grabbing my baking sheets and scooping the batter. Grab some parchment paper to make it non-stick. And let's start scooping. And because they don't have any eggs, they're not going to rise, so you have to use your fork to mush them into the shape that you want, like so. Now you have your option of adding in your favorite toppings. I think I'm going to be adding in chocolate chip, dried cranberries, and maybe some peanut butter. These are all of my cranberries. And now I'm adding in the chocolate chip and some peanut butter. Voila! That is it. I'm going to be popping in these cookies into the oven for 350 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. Isn't that so easy? That's simple, and I can't wait to taste these goodies out of the oven. All of this took me less than 10 minutes to make, so it's really easy to whip them up, especially when you're just short on time. We are very busy people. I'm very busy. You're very busy. It's very clean and healthy. It's very likely that you have oats and bananas in your pantry right now, so it's so quick and easy to whip them up and use any toppings that you like. Our cookies are ready! Freshly baked cookies. My cranberry ones, chocolate chip, and peanut butter, they all look really, really good. I can't wait to try them. It only took 15 minutes for them to bake. You can quickly do a workout, do your hair, do your makeup, just to wait for it to finish baking, and now you have these freshly baked little goodies. Here is a close-up. I'll be trying one of these cookies. I'll probably just grab the small one. I love how parchment paper, there is no mess, and it's so easy to pick a cookie off the sheet. So let's give this a try. Oh my gosh. It's so good. These are really good, guys. The chocolate on the top makes it really, really yummy. But I know that I'm eating something super healthy, so I don't feel as guilty. I like how the sweetness of the banana really goes well with the cookie. It gives it the right amount of sweetness without it being too overpowering. I'll definitely make these again in the future. If you give these cookies a go, let me know in the comments below. I want to see what toppings you guys put. And yeah, the quickest and easiest way to grab some healthy, delicious cookies. If you like this quick Cooking with the Tiff session, please give this video a huge thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!